Hey, what is going on, everybody? We are continuing with the Axial SCX10 II Raw Builders Kit. Just finished up the transmission. Going to get the drive shafts put together. These are pretty simple. A lot of parts for drive shafts, but they go together pretty well, pretty quick. You do want to use a little blue thread lock here. Slide your screw up through till it pops out the end there. And you got this little guy. He slides in there. Tighten him down snug. Excuse me. Then you have this little guy, basically a little metal shaft with a hole through the middle of it. I don't know how well that shows up. You want to slide him through that big hole there. Make sure you can see the little hole there. Then you got this little piece. Looks like a little cup. He slides over. And you got this little, what size is this? A 2 by 11 millimeter metal pin. And you want to slide that through the cup and the other little shaft in there. Like that. Until he is poking out the other side there. And then you've got this little plastic cap. He slides over and holds that pin into place once you put your set screw through to the axle. That's one half. Other half the same way. Blue thread lock. Tighten down. Alright, slide the little metal pin through. The hole's facing up, and a little slot there. Slide the little cup on. And a 2 by 11 pin. There it is. And this one's a little different. It's a little cat. Slide him over, and to hold that cap on there, I just take one of the drive shaft pins and kind of start them on there like that. Alright, and that's your drive shafts. I've already done the rear one. This is the front one. They both go together same way. Now we want to bring our transmission in. Turn him upside down there. Let's see, the front is the motor side. So I'll take the one with the little, the plastic is kind of a scalloped edge. We want to take our drive shaft pin. You can see it got a pin on this end and threads on this end. You want to use a little blue thread lock on the threads. Let me see if I can do this here. Slide the drive shaft over, the output on the transmission. Slide them on there. There you go. Take them down. There's your half of your drive shaft. Now the rear drive shaft, same way. Blue thread lock. Slide them over. Snug them down. And we have drive shafts. Alright. Trucking right along. Yeah. Trying to get the halves mixed up. Now we want to mount this onto the skid plate. Much easier to get those drive shaft halves attached to the transmission before you bolt it to the skid plate. These are 4 3x12 countersunk head screws. And there you go. And that's backwards. No, it's not. No, that is correct. I'm confusing myself at this point, so maybe I need to take a break and have a sandwich or something. But anyway, there's your skid plate, drive shafts together, mounted to the transmission. Nothing rubbing anything, which is good. So we will pick up next time. We will start getting all this stuff put together in the chassis. Getting the servo mounted in the battery tray and getting all that stuff in between the chassis rail. That's up next. So till then, later.